So today we are going to learn that how you can make your own logo from the different stock images, or if you want to extract or combine the different elements from the different stock images and make your own brand identity or a brand logo, then you can do it. It's very easy. Let's get into it. Welcome to Innovative Codes. My name is Imran Iqbal. For making your own brand logo from the different stock images, you need Adobe Illustrator, and here I have an Adobe Illustrator. So firstly, I will just import the stock images one by one. You can just drag and drop the image into the Adobe Illustrator, or you can import by its formal way. After importing the image, what will I do? I will just zoom it out, and I will just move the image from the canvas like this. So here's a simple one-click trick I will do here for converting the image into the vector form. What is that? So what you have to do is to go to the properties section and click on the image trace button. If you don't find the image trace button, go to the menu section and click on the Windows button, and you will find the image trace button over here. I will just select it. I will double click the image, and I have an option named as a preset. So I will click on it, and here I have a number of presets, and I personally recommend you that you should try all the presets for your better understanding. But for now, I will go with the default option and hit the trace button. And here it is, it will convert the image into the vector form. So after converting the image into the vector form, the second step is go to the expand button over here, hit it, and then ungroup all the vectors layers. Now I have an option that what I want to extract from that image or what I don't want. So I will delete the part that I don't need. I will just delete the white background. I will just delete that star. Now I will place or import another stock image into the Adobe Illustrator. Here I go. I will just repeat that process again simply. I will just click that, go to the properties section and hit the image trace button over here. Go with the default option, and here it is. Again click on the expand button, then ungroup all the vector layers. Now I have an freedom that what I want to choose from that Spartan helmet. I will choose that one. Hold the shift key and select the elements that you want to extract. Now I will delete the remain of it. just simply done, and you can save it into any format that you want as per requirements. For saving into the particular format, what will I do? I will just go to the file section, then hit the export and export as. I will choose the PNG, a portable network graph. I will name it as a warrior logo. Export it, and here I will choose the resolution 300 ppi. Okay, for printing and for using on a higher canvas, it's a perfect resolution. Okay, hit the OK button, and here you go, your logo is now saved. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe my channel and press the ring bell icon. Like, share and comment this video. Till then,